Red light high temp showing on Hotpoint Upright Freezer Model near FCA 81.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. When you get this fault, it's usually down to an ice buildup around the evaporator inside the freezer, which affects the airflow, so the temperature rises and this brings the red light on. What you can do is empty the freezer and from there remove the back panel. Then use a hairdryer and melt all the ice that's behind this panel, and also check the drain hole that you will see at the bottom under the evaporator. Make sure this is clear. Then retry the freezer and that should cure the fault from there. But if you don't want to go removing the panels, then you need to empty the freezer and turn it off and leave the freezer door open for 24 hours, and this will allow the ice in there to melt, and again retry it and see how it goes from there. Try the above and see what happens and let me know. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.